The group was fairly close together. The recovery was also, the bodies that were recovered fairly close together. It was reported by the individuals that survived that they were attempting to go out as a group, that someone saw the avalanche, yelled avalanche, and then it overtook them rather quickly.
And one more follow-up. And can you share more about the account of the survivors after the rescue mission?
Yes, 2 of the survivors were transported for medical treatment. They went to the hospital. One was released last night. One is expected to be released today. Both are expected to survive. Everyone else was released at scene.
Can you share how they're doing mentally?
That I cannot. I can only imagine. I think you can too.
Do you have more specific of the search area? Do you know if the road will still remain closed until the investigation is concluded?
There's no actual roadway into the search area. It's accessed via a snowcat, snowmobile, or cross-country skis. The interstate obviously will open, and that's the staging areas, and then we go from there.
This might be a question for Chris. Knowing the topography, the landscape, the exact location of things, can you describe exactly where that football field size avalanche field is located, say, in proximity to Castle Peak proper, and then there's probably cabins, and are you able to kind of pinpoint it, or has that not been officially mapped and triangulated at this moment?
Not yet. Yeah.
Chris, I also have a follow-up question for you.
I know that you had mentioned with the football field avalanche, and then essentially it's been reloaded with snow. Obviously, this is a really complicated procedure to get the bodies recovered from the scene. Is there fear that there could be another avalanche that might rebury those bodies and they could potentially be lost for some time?
I'm going to invite the first responders to answer that.
Yes, that's a consideration, but we also have to take into consideration the longer that we continue to have people out there and exposed, the higher chance we put our rescuers in danger. So is it a consideration? Yes, but it's just one of the factors weighing in our decision.
And talk about the complicating factor of another big storm headed our way with snow continuing to pelt the area and then even to lower elevation.
Well, it's going to make things much more difficult as far as accessing the area, right? It's going to continue to increase the danger of future avalanches, and it's going to continue to make the recovery just harder the longer it goes. We understand that. We understand the importance of doing the recovery, but we just have to weigh all those factors in and do it in the best way possible.
Did the group have any equipment, any airbag that would help them survive an avalanche?
I don't know if they had any of the jackets that inflate or anything like that. I do know that the 8 individuals that were found all had beacons on.
How many bodies have been moved from the scene? Did you say 8? Was that the number that you were saying?
8 have been found at the location. So far, due to the terrain, it's vertical in nature. They were only able to remove the individuals that had survived and needed medical care last night. The actual decedents are still located in the avalanche area.
And can you give any gender at all?
I believe the sheriff provided that breakdown. We can provide that for you if need be. Where the decedents are placed, we did our best to put them in an area that we can recover. We have put avalanche poles there. We've done everything we can to make it so that given the opportunity, we can get in and do a fast recovery. If the weather gives us that chance, but again, it's going to depend on how the weather goes for the next couple of days.
Just a little more detail. So moving forward, what is your schedule? Are you actively trying to recover today, or is this going to be a matter of days or weeks ahead?
Yes, we're actively going to do the recovery as soon as we can. We currently still have approximately 20 resources assigned to this incident. We have an incident command post still set up. We have individuals looking at the weather and trying to get an opportunity to get in there.
And the big storm coming in tonight, right?
Correct.